Alright guys, check this out. I was at the local grocery store and I saw this. This is chakha, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a Vietnamese fish cake, and if you look at the ingredients, it's actually kind of neat. That's what drew me to it. It's fish sauce, pepper oil, and seasoning. So that's pretty much what's all in there. So we're gonna cook this up and do a quick taste test. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here it is, the fish ball here. Let's do a quick taste test. So it's got like more of a dense taste to it. It's good, nice in flavor. Doesn't taste fishy at all. It's got it's more dense and it's chewy, and it's got what's the word? A lot of juice in there too. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments below, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.